depths of the silver pool.
Within the silver pool now swim dark apparitions of the arms of night, in forms unlike the princess of the underworld has previously seen.
So many different Commander.
Oh, no.
It's not...
He never did like bears, just so you know.
Heading out. Time is against us.
Rack me brain about those fancy silver weapons of yours. Trying to sort out who exactly could have made such things. Or when. They're the nocturnal arms, ain't they? Meant only as a last resort, but here we are, I reckon.
Through divination of the elements, I see it now. I grow strong. Clear. Prepare, fishy. On the hook. I caught a figment. Some coins. More whispers. The master craftsman's gift. Soul tonic. There.
The underworld of Hades holds more than the souls of the dead. Riches beyond imagination. Even the remains of the deathless titans.
They'll end up back where they belong. You can't stop me anymore. Remember that. Lord Hephaestus, your services must be in very high demand. I'm grateful, and doubtless so are the nocturnal arms.
Look, I don't work for tips. Though ours ain't an ordinary arrangement, and ain't often lately I get new regular clients. So here, call it a trade.
I'm in your debt for this, Hephaestus, sir. Hear me, on my authority. there's anyone out there who can help me outpace time, it's you. Please accept this for your swift and reliable service.
Right, charitable, you really am. It's just I really need to move along, so let's get to the blessings, if you please. No way you could have already stopped Gramps by now, but going after him right when you did, you're buying us some time to put a little wrinkle in his plan. So cheers.
Go, Freenos. Thanks, little one. To mighty Uncle Zeus, vanquisher of titans. Your strength has saved our family before. You're most kind to now share some of it with me.
This hardly seems the time to make me offerings. All the more reason I appreciate the gesture, niece. And per the custom of our family, I've prepared something for you in turn.
You are most generous, Lord Uncle.
Hard-working Hephaestus offered you his services, has he? We need him clanking away at our armories here, though I suppose assisting you directly does advance our cause. No lack of interest in his handiwork of late.
Sister.
Clean kill.
Get back.
Nice shot.
Hail, sister.
Good work. Why has Olympus sent you all the way out here anyway? I thought you'd have gone back by now. You're always welcome in the crossroads.
Appreciate it, sister, and I do have to report back soon enough. As for why I'm all the way out here, mostly to spy on you. Olympus likes to be informed.
I'm certain that they do. Do you ever slip up with them? By now, the other gods must have their suspicions about you and Hermes.
Depends on who you're talking about, I guess. But for the most part, they just think we're young and flighty. But we're the best they've got. Smart.
One of Lord Charon's wells.
Steady out there.
The reappearance of your wells is certainly no accident, my lord. All it took was the appropriate incantation. Little by little, we shall restore the old order. This one, please.
That boatman's something of a coin collector, isn't he? Well, once we're finished with old Kronos, all those gold crowns of his will be extremely rare collector's items.
Here goes.
Ready? What's that you're brandishing? Ah, the nocturnal arms begin to show their myriad colors. Silver, you well know, is but one.
Each of the aspects of the arms of night represents a bearer from another time. I'm still learning the full extent of what they can do.
And I suspect you shall continue doing so. If nothing else, this ought to make things further interesting here for the both of us. Cross flames burn.
Let's even the odds.
To me, my sisters. Grown physically quite strong. Spiritually, more is to be done. The altar of ashes. There is an incantation that may make your nightly meditations at it better spent.
The consecration of ashes. Thank you, headmistress. I'd best switch keepsakes there. Onward. At least my feet are clean. More lurkers. Here, fishy. Hooked one. I caught a gutter pop. We did it, Frenos. Cheers, Frenos. Get your tentacles away from me. Next. that.
The soothing waters of a fountain. In black and murky Oceanus past the border of the underworld, the putrid waters are purified, as if to show that there, Poseidon holds no sway.
As long as his boons still work. I merely borrow this. Could unseal one of the other paths. Worth a shot. Ashes.
She came. Surprised to see us again, lady? Because we're not going anywhere. This is our big comeback tour, after all.
I thought I dealt with you last time, yet here you are. Am I going to have to drive you back into the sea?
Oh, I don't know. Am I going to have to tell Jetty and Roxy to play their hearts out? No, I'm not. Because that's just what they do. Don't you, gals? Showtime, gals!
Damn it!
Drums!
blasted catchy song. First tunnel to my right. Time to dry off. Where to from here? I can do this. Lycaeans. Not a chance. Ugh. Now my reward. Looking for several different points. Should be able to revive that bow. There.
Beware the evil eye. Remember to be extra reckless since your gold is on the line. Let's get started.
Race you.
Deliverance. Get your own. All clear.
Ugh, I concede.
You lost. Pay up. Aw, you brought the evil eye I gave to you. How sweet. Make your enemies regret messing with you.
I'm certain our foes will get what's coming. This eye, though, it almost looks alive. Not using it to spy on me, are you?
Nah, see enough of you as it is. Now get out of here before that eye does anything to me. See you soon.
Guess I accept this message. Cleared up. I wonder, does this bottle's brilliant sheen come from the god of light himself? Perhaps to him it should return, right now.
Such a thoughtful gift. It's gracious of you to think of me like this, and during such a time. Though there's no need to go out of your way.
Hear me, on my authority. I sense the elemental essences here now. I should be able to get out, I think. Someone there. Someone there. Someone there. Someone there. I mean you no harm. I mean you no harm. You no harm. No harm. No harm. That makes two of us. What ails you, Shade? Is there something I could do to ease your burden? I could ease your burden, your burden, your burden. I don't know who you are, but thanks. 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 Thanks.
A deep ravine within the fields of morning spreads forth like a gash across the underworld's heart. And even hateful spirits know to stay away.
Need to keep pushing forward, out of here. Look for the golden petals on the ground. A golden bough. Vitality. Smackers. Point secured. Where are the other two? Ugh, what? That shade needs you, Phrynos. Why, thank you. Moonlight, guide us. Cerberus, is that you? Damn it! Return to Shadow now. Hey, Artemis. Haven't heard our old song in a while, have you? I'll enjoy it while she's here.
Hey. Not gonna lie, Mel, sometimes I wish I had a big important task. And not that floating isn't one.
You know my stance on this, Dora. You need to get out of this tent. You're very talented. I've never met a shade that speaks like you.
Ooh, I can talk. Makes me so special. I'm sure any lowly shade could do it after being stuck here listening to you people long enough.
Or you could teach them.
Nah.
There's something new here. Hey, welcome to the Crossroads, Shade.
The sonorous voice of the goddess of the hunt fills the clearing like a ray of moonlight, stirring the eternal souls of shades that there reside.
She's not bad, is she?
The silver sisters wait. The moon marks her passage silently, watching with the eye of night above us all, hiding in plain sight, keeper of the night. Moonlight, guide us home tonight in shadow all alone. Take shelter from the world above, in safety and in solace.
Take it away.
I see that look and know you must be going through a lot, Malinui. But don't forget what we decided here.
We leave our worries at the threshold to this little clearing, yes. Though, don't you ever slip? Catch your mind drifting back to your concerns?
That's what the song is for. It doesn't make our troubles go away. It's so we can face them as best we can.
Wild woods twisting through. Be welcome here and safe. The silver sisters wait.
I've need of that. Farewell.
Next time you got something to say about me, you come say it to my face. Now know you witches would much rather sneak around, though.
What are you even talking about? I think you're being accusatory and abrasive. There, I said that to your face.
Odysseus tried giving me one of his talks, telling me you didn't go complaining to him.
He was concerned with how we're getting on. You're not exactly being subtle, and he's quite perceptive in case you hadn't noticed.
Be quiet.
You all right?
Our altar can be purified.
Marks her passage silently, watching with the eye of night above us all, hiding in plain sight.
You've not escaped the morning fields as yet. The beast guarding the entrance into Tartarus seems insurmountable. 'Tis the effect of the fields themselves.
What hope I have begins to drain from me as soon as I set foot in there. I know it's just a trick of the mind, but...
But an effective trick it is.
You have this. So, how has Nemesis been faring out there? Taking matters into her very capable hands. Not making too much grief for you, I reckon.
So you know already. And Headmistress must too. Nemesis is being Nemesis. Discovering firsthand our task is not as simple as it seems.
Say no more then. Though if she becomes too intent on impeding your results over achieving her own, we'll step in.
It won't come to that. Some wheat. They say to never bathe alone. I should be able to increase my grasp. Concentrate. I'm at my limit. The lovers. I lack the grasp for this. The lovers. The silver pool. Ignium, awaken.
Well, what was that? You shades new around these parts, so you answer to me.
Welcome to your new home.
Something transpired with the silver puddle back there, I could tell, young one. You're doing, perchance, that of the fates themselves.
I've revealed in the pool the aspects of the nocturnal arms. Not their true forms exactly, but different ones, with their own great power.
Ah, the nocturnal arms. Your brother, he once used their counterparts, and those ones too turned into other stuff. Well, if you need to test your newfound strength, I'm here.
I know it, Commander.
I can't move! Goodbye, world. I live.
Moonlight, guide us.
Moonlight, yeah.
Below, the path to Tartarus. Above, the way to Olympus.